Now the Tron god is just messing with me. I took the honey badger down off the shelf there. It's an APM. I can't see if it's a 2.5 or whatever. Yeah, it's an APM 2.5. It won't run anything higher than Arducopter 321. It just doesn't have the memory for it at all. And the old 3DR original GPS locked up in less than 60 seconds. And look at this over here on the computer. And this is what I came in to look at, this AHRS GPS minimum SATs. And it isn't even back in 321, which is firmware from ages ago. It still says for velocity base corrections. It doesn't say. I thought for years this talked about the number that you wanted to be the minimum before it would let you off the ground. Is that crazy or what? I thought it was kind of this one, GPS lock, associated with GPS lock. GPS lock would be called good when it equaled those number of satellites. It seemed to work that way for me for years. Or maybe because maybe the GPS had to wait until it came up to that number of satellites before it thought it was capable of using the GPS for velocity base corrections. Boy, just goes to show people can have the wrong thinking about things for, God, that'd be 6 years or more ago. No, I mean, gone on 8 or 10 years ago. Anyway, let me show you what else really bothers me about this. It's got 8 satellites locked up, the same as the 5-inch. These quads are about to fly, but it's not going to be from electrical energy. Thank you.